Hey guys, welcome to my channel, Joe Saglimbeni, and today I want to talk about helping new workers out there who have graduated high school or college and give some financial advice, just some honest financial advice on what steps I would take once I got my first job. And So a little background. The reason why I want to make this video is because when I was 18, 19, 20, I did not invest. I did not start an IRA. I did not start contributing to a 401k. Matter of fact, I didn't even have a 401k until I was in my 30s. The companies I worked for back then did not even offer 401ks. And as for an IRA, I was too stupid to even start it because all I wanted to do was make as much money as I can, spend it, go out, enjoy my life, and spend money like crazy. The problem with that is I missed close to a decade of investing. That decade of no investing probably is the reason why I'm still working to this day. And that's really where I'm coming from. I want to get on YouTube today and try to honestly tell all young workers, once they start working, no matter what job it is, whether it's in a restaurant, whether it's in a retail store, whether it's a waiter or a waitress, whether you're driving Uber, start contributing to either an IRA, or if the company that you're working for offers a 401k, you start contributing to a 401k. And in my opinion, you start contributing heavy. What I mean by that is a heavy percentage. 10 to 15% of your paycheck should automatically come out and go and be contributed to these type of accounts. This was a mistake I did not make. This was a mistake I made back when I was 18 years old. And I'm just seeing so many young people who are not starting their IRAs or their 401ks, and they say, I don't know anything. They don't know what to do. They don't know what to invest. Okay, so you don't know how to invest or where you want to invest. If you should invest in an index fund, or if you should invest in a money market fund or a CD. Okay, fine. Just start the account and then learn. You have YouTube. You have multiple business channels on television. You have magazines, books, apps, brokerage accounts that have so much information, way more information that I had when I was younger. So I need to I actually wish I can shout it from the rooftops that the first thing you do is start a 401k or an IRA, start contributing automatically out of your paycheck so that you don't even feel it. Eventually, you will get used to this and you will naturally become an investing person or a saving type person. It'll come natural. You will see the growth, the compounding of your accounts. You will see the balances go up, and you would say to yourself, "Oh my God, this is amazing." All of a sudden, 20 years will pass, and you will see more than six figures without a problem. And then you'll learn how to invest. You'll learn about what a mutual fund is, what a stock is, what a cryptocurrency is, what a CD is, what is an annuity. Do I need an annuity? You will, or shall I say, you should like read books and magazines. Just keep on learning about investments. And by the time you're in your mid-20s or in your late 20s, you'll be ready for serious returns. And that's the problem I made a mistake at. That's a mistake I made. I didn't really start heavy investing until I was in my late 20s. And then I really started piling contributions into my Roth, into my 401k. But it was more difficult because I had to start at a lower base. That base didn't grow from 10 years ago or 10 years prior, where I could add a nice balance compounding upon itself. So I felt like today I wanted to come on and tell new workers out there, and you know what, quite frankly, even old workers, to start investing or start learning about investments. Start your 401k, start your IRA. Don't make the mistakes I made when I was younger. And now, at my age, I'm not retired yet. But if I would have started when I was 18, I think I would have been easily retired by this time. And I mean, that's the best I could tell you. And I wanted to come on and kind of explain it in the video and try to reach out to as many people as I can, as many young people as I can, actually. And hopefully they get some value from this and go out there and start saving 10 to 15%. And by the time you get 55, 60, you will be amazed at the power of compounding. As a matter of fact, I even did several years ago a video on the greatest calculation, which was compounding, the power of compounding. And I'll actually leave it up here or in the comments below, that video where I talk about compounding and the power of compounding. All right, guys, so I just wanted to make a quick vlog on the subject and hopefully get you motivated, get you out there, get you to start taking investments seriously, even at a young age. All right, guys? That's it. I'll see you on my next video. All right? Good luck and be good.